Hey guys, and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Today's videos show some top 5 best RC airplanes in 2023. The best RC airplanes are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best RC airplanes from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. TopRace RC Airplane. TopRace RC Plane with Advanced Propeller Saver. Our RC Airplane come with the newest propeller saver technology that protects from damage. Enjoy playing with our RC planes for hours. RC planes for adults. It's a great remote control plane for boys 8 to 12 as well as for adults. It comes with 3 levels of flying: beginner, medium and advanced to fit everyone. Radio Control RC Glider. Our radio-controlled remote control planes come with a 2.4 GHz transmitter that easily operates the plane from a distance. Features: this airplane remote control comes with a 8mm coreless motor and flies 12 minutes on a single charge. 4xAA batteries needed for transmitter. Specifications: remote control distance of over 320 feet. Length, 14 inches, wingspan, 14 inches. Includes the remote plane, 3 spare propellers, 1 transmitter, 2 batteries, USB charger and user manual. Number 4. HobbyZone RC Airplane. The HobbyZone Sport Cub S2 is based on one of the all-time most popular RC trainer aircraft ever designed for learning to fly radio-controlled airplanes, the legendary Sport Cub S. Its ultra-micro size makes it the ideal choice for a smaller trainer model that can be flown in yards, parks, soccer fields, football fields and other suitable spaces where larger models can't typically be flown successfully by first-time pilots. Exclusive safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology helps prevent overcontrol, loss of orientation and crashes so nearly everyone can learn to fly successfully. Beginner, intermediate and experienced modes allow you to choose the level of stability and control you need, or are ready to try, at the flip of a switch. The Bind and Fly Basic version, HBZ44500, is the perfect choice for RC pilots with some existing experience, because it allows them to use their own favorite Spectrum transmitter along with batteries and chargers they may already own. Number 3. E-flite RC Airplane. Scaled down from the legendary Timber 1.5M, the E-flite UMX Timber was the iconic ultra-micro model best equipped for exciting STOL, short takeoff and landing, adventures and beyond, until now. The UMX Turbo Timber updates the original design with a modern turboprop-styled nose and 3-blade propeller, plus a higher power 3400 kV brushless motor. When using the same 2S 280 mAh batteries, this turbo version provides even better STOL performance with shorter takeoffs and faster climbs. You'll also enjoy extreme aerobatic capabilities and have the power to hover, then climb out vertically. In the hands of experienced pilots, the UMX Turbo Timber can be flown in more places even off of water with the optional floats, sold separately, and in smaller spaces. Plus its high wing configuration and exclusive optional use safe select technology provide plenty of stability to make the UMX Turbo Timber a great choice if you've mastered flying at least one model before. This makes it a model that pretty much every pilot, from low-time to long-time experienced alike, should own because everyone will enjoy flying it. Number 2. GoolRC X450 RC Airplane. Adopted impact-resistant engineering EPO material, and the built-in carbon fiber rod is reinforced and strong. 3 flight modes including vertical flight/horizontal 6G airplane flight/multi-rotor flight, bring different flight delight and suitable for beginners and advanced people. The aircraft adopts 6-axis gyroscope with air pressure and altitude hold, suitable for different scenes and for beginners to practice flight skill. 3D/6G mode can be converted easily, 3D mode for aerobatic fun fly and 6G mode for stabilized flight easy for beginner. It adopts 3 1307 3000 kV brushless motors with high-efficiency blades for full power and 4 digital steering servos used to pull the front motor and control the aircraft's rudder surface. Large capacity 11.1V lithium polymer battery with a flight time of 15 minutes or more. Number 1. IHobby RC Airplane. Easy to fly airplane, it is 2.4 GHz 2 channels RTF RC plane for beginner. It made of EPP styrofoam, durable, strong and not easy broken. Airplane ESC building with gyroscope airplane thanks to 3-axis gyroscope built-in ESC, What makes this RC plane stability flight and easy to control for kids or beginner? Airplane EPP shell airplane, durable EPP styrofoam protects the airplane's safety from air crashing, also protects body and wing, all are in good condition from curving during transportation. Airplane fun flight airplane, 2 methods of taking off, hand throwing off or sliding off, brings amazing flight route for pilot. 2 channels remote control system makes a simple flight practice. This remote control airplane is a good training tool for beginners who want to pilot hobby level RC plane. Airplane rechargeable battery airplane plane comes with LiPo rechargeable battery and controller needs 3 PCSAA battery, not included. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.